I'm very much of a hands-on visual learner, which is another one of the reasons why I came here, because we have one of the largest dispensaries in the Midwest. It really helps, instead of just learning in a textbook or from a lecture, being able to actually tangibly touch the herbs.
The Herbal Dispensary is part of our acupuncture and Chinese medicine program. We have the advantage of being an acupuncture program within a university system. So we are fortunate for that because we're able to house this large dispensary.
The herbs are wonderful because we can customize them to each individual patient. And we have a lot of training in the Western pharmacology side of it so that we can assess for different contraindications, different interactions.
We have all types of herbs here to train our students. They have herbs that we're able to offer in powder forms, pill forms, tablets, liquid forms. Whatever is best going to serve their patient at the end when they become a private practitioner, that's what we want to prepare them for at the school.
I've also been an herbal intern where you get to actually prescribe herbs to your patients, and that's been another great way to just apply the knowledge that you're learning in class and actually see how wonderful they are and the immense effects that they have on patients.